Hello. So if you know how to create a gRPC service, you might be knowing that in order to test a gRPC service, you need a gRPC client, a dedicated gRPC client. We cannot test it via browsers like we can test a REST API. Today we are going to see if there is a GUI based gRPC client, as in case of REST we have Postman, to use or test our gRPC service. So in the previous tutorial we created a simple gRPC service which accepts a request of type hello request with one of the parameter called name, and it returns a hello reply with a parameter called message. So it what it does basically is whatever request we get, we extract out the name and prepend the word hello to it and return it back to the client. So if we try to run it, here we can see the particular service is listening on port 5001 and 5000. So if we try to go and access this particular address in browser, so here as you can see it shows communication with gRPC endpoints must be made through a gRPC client. So in this particular case it says that we always require a gRPC client. We cannot access the gRPC endpoints through browser, and in case we require a GUI based client, there is one of the options which is called Bloom RPC gRPC client. So gRPC services can always be accessed via a valid gRPC client. Okay, we cannot access the gRPC service via a browser directly as of now. So there is a tool called Bloom RPC which helps us to test gRPC service. So that is what we are going to use in order to test our gRPC service today. So it's an open source project. We'll find the release here and we will be downloading the one for Windows. So now that we have installed our Bloom RPC client, we will go ahead and try to import the proto file which we have designed for this particular sample gRPC service. Okay, so here we have our proto file. This is where we are going to provide the address at which the gRPC service is listening, and we'll provide a name such as my name. So now again the service is listed to go to Bloom RPC and make a call. It gives a reply called hello Rishabh. As we can see, we received a request from a gRPC request from one of the clients, and it gave a response of hello Rishabh. So this is a very simple way in which we can use a GUI based gRPC client in order to test our gRPC service. Thank you.